Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 148. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this box, we're missing a 5. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 4. So that means the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 5, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 5, 9, 6. For this box, we're only missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5. So that means the only place the 7 can be in that box is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. And we're just left with the 3s and 5s that line up, so we can just fill those in however we like. So if we make this our 5, that makes this our 3, 5, and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.